Ready. Okay. The first one. Can you read this one?
Farmer.
Farmer. Yes, farmer.
Farmer ni Chuck ke tak
Oh,
ke?
betul. Chuck. Farmer Chuck.
Is in a bad mood.
Very good. Farmer Chuck is in a bad mood. 2 boxes for Khadijah. 1, 2. Okay, next. Can you read this one?
He sit on a stool.
No. Mm-hmm.
To bread.
Two.
Bread.
Two.
To
Huh. What
bread.
sound is this?
To
Two.
brew.
Brood. Okay, read again.
He sit on a stool.
Uh.
A stool
Mm-hmm.
to brew.
Very good. He sits on a stool to brood. Okay, 2 boxes for Khadijah. 1, 2. Okay, next. Can you read this one?
Where are the hens in the coop?
How do we read this word?
Hens.
Hens. Okay, can you read again?
Hens.
Okay, read all together again.
Where are the hens in the coop?
Very good. Okay, let's remind you. Where are the hens? In the coop. It's a long vowel coop. Okay, 2 boxes for Khadijah. 1, 2. Next, can you read this one?
Where is the rooster?
Very good. Where is the rooster? Another 2 boxes for Khadijah. 1, 2. Can you read this one?
And where is the goose?
Where is the
Goose.
goose? Very good. And where is the goose? Another 2 boxes for Khadijah. 1, 2. All right. You've crossed the